Welcome to BTU here at SMT AI. I am delighted to be joined by Bob Bouchard. Great to see you again, Bob.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. I'm
Great.
good. So, you know, the Aurora was launched with much fanfare about a year and a half ago now.
Yeah.
First of all, how is it performing in terms of market reception? Are people being very receptive to it?
Yeah, absolutely. The adoption is increasing quickly. One of the key capabilities that's really enabled this new product is the additional heated lengths over our previous generation machine, and those have been really great sellers so far in terms of longer heated lengths and more zones for a variety of new applications. Also on the cost of ownership side as well.
Right. So the new heating lengths, that makes you a lot more flexible, so that you can the manufacturer could adjust maybe the speed of the line and that sort of thing.
Yeah. So the longer heated lengths give you, on one hand, more throughput, so you have a more capable line in terms of throughput, but also the increased heated length also gives you the ability to adjust cooling rates, which has become a big trend in the industry now, especially in large packaging where you have to control the cooling rate very, very slowly. So you need more zones to do that.
Right, okay. So, you know, from my perspective, looking at the Aurora with all the different modules you've included into it, it really appears to be the most environmentally friendly oven on the market. You know, it's very sustainable. Let's talk about some of these components that you've put into it to make it such. I mean, starting off with the Aqua scrub, of course.
Yeah, so Aqua scrub has turned out to be a great advantage for us with our flux management technology. Using an aqueous-based scrubbing system, of course, is environmentally friendly. The disposal of that, of course, is environmentally friendly, and it operates at 95% efficiency. So it removes the flux from the system and increases the productivity of the tool in general.
Absolutely. And the great thing about the one with the Aurora is it's built in. It's actually built into the machine. It's not a product that sits outside as a bolt-on.
That's exactly right. It's well integrated into the system, and we can also leverage other areas in the tool in terms of sustainability as well. Our energy pilot system is very popular in use, allowing users to reduce their energy consumption, their nitrogen consumption. We've even have capabilities where, it's an oven, it gives off heat.
Yes.
So we remove the heat when it's warm in the summer, and for some customers, they reuse that heat and help heat the building.
Really?
With some of the heat that comes off the machine as well. So
that's incredible.
Lots of great capabilities that are built into this tool that allow us to do that work.
Right. Well, that's very sustainable. You're getting double use out of that heat, essentially. So that's great. And what about for the process monitoring side of it? What do you do there?
Yeah. So we've got two products there. On the process monitoring side, we have a product called Profile Guardian, and essentially what that does is that is a redundant monitoring of the thermal process inside the oven, and can be used for traceability. Right. So with a barcode reader, you can track every printed circuit board or product that goes through the oven, and you can relate it to all the data that was collected specifically on that board through the oven. So it's very, very useful. And we also have a profile tracer, which is our new data logger, which is the thermal profile that travels through the oven and records the temperature profile on the product. And that has some great capabilities as well for measuring vibration, the thermal profile. It also has optical pyrometers on it. So we can use those optical pyrometers to kind of capture a baseline in the oven, and that way there, instead of profiling the PC board every day, you can use the optical pyrometers as a way to manage a baseline.
Manage a baseline. Wow, that's very neat. So you put that through with one board first of all, or do you put that through on every board?
You can, but normally you don't. Normally you process that at the beginning of the process. Correct. Yeah, it's for process setup tool.
Right. Yep. Okay, great. So it's a very versatile system. I think, have you got any other sort of upgrades or additions that you plan to make to it in the future?
Yeah, we're in a process now of actually doing another round of updates on our Aqua scrub from all the data we've collected over the past few years that it's been out, so that'll be increasing in efficiency. We're looking at also some more efficient electrical components such as the blower motors and such, to improve and reduce the amount of electrical consumption in the tool. So high efficiency motors and collecting that information as well.
Right. Great. Well, it's great to see it always evolving. You're always very innovative at BTU. So nice to talk to you today.
Likewise, thanks for coming by.
Why do something 3 times when you can do it only once? Using N1 Pass technology, BTU's new Profile Tracer is a next-generation thermal profiling tool, providing real-time data acquisition for oven optimization. It identifies inconsistencies due to temperature variables at both the product level and the heat source. Profile Tracer measures dual temperature locations as well as vibration, all in one pass, giving you time to attend the more important things in life.